One of the best things about Active Fitness is it's within walking distance from West End. It's owned by locals Adrian and Melanie, who literally started the company from scratch. They actually just moved from the Turtle building across the street into this one and are still remodeling the building to fit their vision. Active has plenty of free weights to choose from and gives off kind of an old Gold's Gym vibe where people who are serious about lifting go to put in the work. In fact, a lot of the equipment was custom made by Adrian himself, which we'll show later in the video. The preloaded barbells go up to 70 pounds, which is a little bit lighter than some of the other gyms, but should suffice for the majority of people. Around the corner are their lockers. They also have their newly remodeled bathrooms that just need the finishing touches like doors and some extra lockers inside. The nice thing about Active Fitness is it will be the only gym that has saunas in both the men's and women's locker rooms. The dumbbells go up to 100 pounds. Some of them are well used, which just proves the hard work that gets put in here. Adrian did say he will be replacing a lot of the equipment and dumbbells in the near future. Going upstairs, they have some boxing equipment along with enough room to do abs, stretching, or some warm-up exercises. The lighting is also great with these mirrors for posing if you're into bodybuilding, something that Adrian also has a history in. Next to his DJ booth is their apparel and supplements. They also have their cardio equipment along the edge. They have a full functioning kitchen and provide meal planning and prep. Adrian's going to walk us through a couple of his custom built machines and the different things they can do. This one you can do chest press, and change it up to do shoulder press. Put it all the way back. And then you can do rows or lat pull downs. Going over to this machine, you can do leg curls, put the bench up, and then leg extensions. Same thing with this machine here. You can start off with leg curls. And then change it up for leg extensions. This machine, you can do hip abduction or change it around to do hip adduction. This was a super creative custom build. You can do shrugs, or you can raise it up a little bit and grab a bench to do incline bench press, and then adjust the bench and you'll be able to do shoulder press. They also offer a variety of creative group workouts and have their own equipment outside, like this custom built cage and tires with sledgehammers, rope, and other things they use for their group workouts. Overall, Active Fitness has a great location next to West End. They They have good prices and hours. They also have a variety of equipment for any workout. I look forward to seeing what the future brings when their remodel is done and their new equipment is in.